Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change dates on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the booking.com app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign in into your booking.com account. Now on your screen, you can see options like search, saved, bookings and profile. Go to bookings. Under bookings, you can see three options: active, past and cancelled. Stay on active. Next, you have to tap on that three-dot menu right beside the property you booked. Tap on change dates from the menu that appears from the bottom of your screen. Now select check-in or check-out, whichever date you want to change. Then tap on check availability and select yes, make changes. And guys, that's it. That's how you change dates on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.